Hello everyone! Good morning! First of all, I want to wish you and your family a safe and bountiful new year. Thank you for taking part in our track session, Stimulate Digital Transformation. Our technical experts are available in the chat room should you have any questions about the offering presented today. We are in a situation where everything can now be done online. Because of the pandemic, the world was pushed into adopting digital technologies to continue day-to-day operations. Businesses shifted online with cashless transactions. Goods are now available at the touch of a mobile phone. We saw an increase in the delivery service to bring the products to the consumers' homes. Ride-hailing services, whether it be cars or motorcycles, shifted to doing deliveries. Even schools have resorted to blended learning, where the students can join a virtual class or learn through different modules. And it should not be any different for the government. Government offices should be able to shift and adapt to the situation. Business transactions with the government should be as easy as it is ordering food. If the public don't have to line up in government offices every day for applications, renewals, disbursements, or payments, imagine how much time can be saved, let alone decrease traffic, because the public can do this while they are at home. Better yet, they don't have to transfer from one building to another because they are in the wrong office. And it is not just because of the pandemic. We live in a country where we experience around 20 typhoons and about 2,000 earthquakes every year. Digitalization improves continuity of your operations despite natural and man-made disasters. Digitalization makes it easier for the public to use government services. Digitalization helps you and your staff work more efficiently. So it is not just the public who will benefit, but also the people working inside the government offices. Internal processes should operate with minimal disruptions. Approvals can now be made paperless, meaning your documents won't go missing and you can access them wherever you are. Communication and collaboration will be easier and transparent. Meetings can be done even when the participants are not in the same physical location. Employees are more engaged and equipped to cope with the emerging technologies. Many are afraid of digitalization because it is a broad term. But if you look closer and understand it, it is not as difficult to implement. What you need is a solid technology that can bring together all the different solutions for your organization. That's where Microsoft Azure comes in. Be it a CRM, or a customer relationship management system, an ERP, or an enterprise resource planning system, an HRIS, or a human resource information system, or as simple as an email and communication tool, Azure can support you in managing your data. You can easily scale according to your organization's needs, whenever and wherever. No need to wait for delivery of physical servers. No need to pay for additional space to put those servers in. More importantly, Azure offers multi-layered security. Imagine a military agency of one of the most powerful countries has awarded a multi-billion-dollar cloud computing contract to Microsoft. That's how confident they are with the security of Azure. At Radenta Technologies Incorporated, one of our solutions that run in Azure is HEMP, which is our HR system tailored to fit Philippine government institutions. HEMP means human empowerment. Empowered employees are productive employees, which is why we want to focus our technology on helping take care of your employees. This solution is more than just an HRIS. It is a people resource operating system. We understand the employee life cycle of government offices. From recruitment to separation, your process workflows can be digitalized. What makes HEMP fit for the government are the processes, reports, and forms specific to the government that are already embedded in the system. Forms that are mandated by the Civil Service Commission are systematically generated, so there is no need to write manually. As a foundation, we have more than 20 years of experience in global IT and business operations, plus a wide variety of IT deployments in several government agencies and local government units. One of the benefits of HEMP is you get less disputes from your staff because it has time and attendance management. Your staff will have access to their own DTR, which they can view anytime. Even before the actual payout, they already have an idea in terms of how much they will get during payday. And since they have access to their DTR, they can easily raise any incorrect figure to their respective supervisor for it to be amended and not get incorrect deductions. Application of leave and travel requests are also included in this module, so the employee doesn't have to file them manually. They can easily upload the documents supporting their requests, and their supervisors can view them and approve them right away. They will have their own dashboard where they can view and access their personal data sheet, DTR, payslips, work experience sheets, SAL-N, leave record, requests, approvals, property accountability, individual performance reviews, forms, and announcements. Another module is the staffing module. This is where the organization selects candidates internally and externally for assuming vacant positions. Application can now be done online by filling out the application form and uploading their necessary documents. The selection board will have a master list of all applicants, and they can filter by position, division, or list the applicants in alphabetical order. Through this list, the profile of the applicant can be viewed. With this system, applicants can now be interviewed virtually, and whether the board of selection are in different locations, they can easily view the notes of the other interviewers. Once the interview is done, the interviewer can post their scores and comments or remarks for the next interviewer if needed and be tagged for the next step. They can be identified as qualified or not qualified, or waive application. The interviewer can then choose whether the applicant is for deliberation, did not attend the interview, waive application, or upload selection lineup. Once deliberation and evaluation is finished, the Board of Selection can now choose if the applicant is for appointment, waive application, or upload results. For the candidates who have passed, they can now be moved for assumption of duty. For external applicants, they can register and create a profile to be added onto the master list, and for the internal applicants, they just need their username and password for the system. So from application to the assumption of duty, the process is digital. We also have performance management, where the employees can access their supervisor's evaluation of their work based on the goals set for them. It includes key results area, key performance indicators, different competencies needed to fulfill their tasks effectively. The employee starts by submitting his or her form to the rater for initial review. The rater then approves the form or returns with suggested revision. If the employee has questions, they can verify with the rater by submitting their questions through the portal, and the rater can view it to accept the changes requested or to deny it. These evaluation forms are stored, viewable, and can be exported to PDF and Excel file, and it can be printed too. Once an evaluation of the employees is final, they can now work on the learning and development path of the employee to equip them of the necessary training for their improvement and career succession. These plans are then created in the system. It includes the individual's strengths with different levels depending on the competency, opportunities based on competency type with action plan, timeline, and resource needed. It also includes the individual's accomplishments of trainings, coaching, or mentoring programs where you can upload documents as proof of completion. It also has a page for in-house learning and development offerings for internal learning activities. From the performance evaluation and learning development, an individual can have a clear view of the next step they need to take to advance their career in the office, as the system also includes a career and succession module. It indicates the next possible position for the individual based on the requirements of the position and the actual achievement of that individual. Another module is the Employee Relations Management. It includes the Employees Engagement Center, where an individual can submit suggestions anonymously for the improvement of the office. Feedback, grievance with other employees or your supervisor, and questions to the HR department. It also includes the Mediation Unit and Employee Discipline, where they can view the employee manual and notices. These are just some of the modules in the HR system. And if you notice, our primary objective is to automate and support the Human Resources Department processes in one single system. We aim to minimize redundant records and inaccuracies by reducing manual activities. HEMP is a standalone offering that is part of our Government Resource Integrated Planning System, or GRIPS, which is a fully customizable, comprehensive, and scalable resource planning solution developed and integrated for the Philippine government, transforming the service, enhancing efficiency and productivity by integrating process from budget, procurement, inventory, fixed assets, project monitoring, accounting, HRIS, and payroll, unifying data to provide more responsive and reliable service to the Filipino people. We at Radenta have a lot of solutions that we can offer in helping your office towards digitalization. We offer technology integration, virtualization, and cloud. We have skilled engineers and consultants, a reliable documentation process, and a 24/7 service help desk. One of our other solutions is a COVID response offering, which enables you to identify potential COVID-19 infected individuals before entering your office. It is called InstantVitals. It is a mobile application where it detects low-level vital signs that could indicate that a person is at risk of having the coronavirus infection. It analyzes your heart rate, respiratory rate, and oxygen saturation to provide a result whether you are a high, medium, or low risk of having COVID-19. With this technology, you can already isolate those with high risk of being infected to avoid transmission of the virus inside your office. With the rise of the mutated strains, we need to be more vigilant in terms of preventing the spread of the virus. We can no longer sustain another wave of lockdown. We need a more stringent course of action to ensure public safety. Contact tracing through QR codes is not enough because it is reactive rather than proactive. It only determines who are the people infected by an individual who tested positive to the virus. It doesn't prevent the virus from being spread in the first place. With InstantVitals, you can detect the symptoms as early as possible, thereby preventing individuals that present a risk from entering public places. We also have LP Plus 365, which is a solution for the education system built on top of Microsoft Office 365. It is a collaboration platform where teachers and learners can engage and simulate a learning environment in a single dashboard. It is a stage that serves as online classroom to keep the learning going. It allows learners to interact and easily adopt e-learning. The home dashboard boasts a flip tile technology, allowing view of the most recent items. It has a collapsible menu bar for quick and easy access to class sites and educationally relevant tools. Educators can use multimedia files as an alternative of plain text files to make the discussion more interactive and appealing to learners. Assignments can be given to specific students only, group of students, or the entire class for easier communication. It includes student sentiment, where the teachers can gauge the emotional state of their learners based on the emojis chosen. These are just an overview of some of the solutions we offer. For a more detailed discussion, please let us know through the chat room which solution you would like to know more of, and we will be happy to set an appointment with you and your team. Thank you very much. God bless and stay safe.